Okay guys, I am underneath the house doing a termite inspection. They had it tinted or fumigated 3 years ago, and they thought they had seen some dry wood pellets in the garage. So looking at the pellets in the garage, it's not dry wood termites. So now I'm in the crawl space, and I wanted you guys to take a look. Hopefully you guys can see we have subterranean termite mud tubes right there. These are mud tubes here and here. So just wanted to get that on video. So as I'm crawling the stem wall, I am noticing some more mud tubes. You can see right underneath that seal plate there are subterranean termite shelter tubes, and then this crack in the wall here, we have mud going up this crack, and then here we have some more mud, and that's caused by the subterranean termites making their way up to get to the wood. All right, so I'm crawling through this crawl space, and I wanted to point out all this cellulose debris. This is all from, looks like a repair job that was done, and it's very common for us to crawl underneath a house that has had some remodeling or repair work done, and whoever did the work on the house did not clean up. And this is not good for the homeowner because it attracts termites to their house, because this is wood. This is a food source. So I wanted to point that out. We need to get all of this post-construction material out of here so it does not continue to attract termites. Okay guys, as I continue to crawl the crawl space, I don't know if you can see the daylight way down there, but that's where I came in, and I'm crawling the stem wall. We have another crack in the stem wall, and we have mud tubes in this crack coming up to the wood. Here is all the post-construction material. Take a look. This post-construction material has termites in it. I was just explaining that this needs to come out because it attracts termites. Okay guys, here's a good find. You see this here? See if I get a good angle on it. This is called a shelter tube. This is a mud tube that the termites have used to make their way from the ground up into the wood from the sill plate. From the sill plate over here, all the way across this way. So this wood has been eaten out. It's full of dirt from the termites, and we need to get that fixed. Take a look at this, guys. This is powder post beetle damage right here. So you can see how this beam here is a load-bearing beam, and this is cracked from this powder post beetle, and then we have this pier and post that's been infested with powder post beetles. Look at that. So this is something to be aware of when we're in crawl spaces doing inspections. This is powder post beetle damage. Never know what you're gonna find in a crawl space. That rat has been dead for some time. Look at his tail. Okay guys, another good find here. Look at all these mud tubes here. Oh boy, that wood's gone. We have a mud tube right here. Look at that. Over here. You see, when we do treatments for subterranean termites, during the treatment, the crew that is doing the service is supposed to remove all of these termites evidence, so that way we can tell what is new and old. So this house needs a subterranean treatment, but then we also need to remove all this evidence so we can continue to inspect you know, every 12 months to see how the treatment is going. So I just wanted to point that out, that, you know, this stuff should be removed during the treatment. I know that my crew knows that, and we practice that so we can determine what is new and old evidence when we're doing services.